Guys, we're in Chase, Lake County, Michigan, taking a look at a beautiful 10-acre opportunity. It has rolling hills throughout, a diverse timber population, and a beautiful ridge overlooking a valley with great views. This property is located right off a county-maintained paved road, and you're only miles away from thousands of congruent acres of Manistee National Forest, and you're only miles away from Tin Cup ORV Trail. You guys check out the video. If you like it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you like the property itself, give me a ring. I'll put the contact information right here, and we'll get you out here for a private showing. Don't forget to have a great day.